Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So now let us meet Blue and Azul. And today we'll battle it over who's the best in the basketball game. So this right here is Blue and this is Azul. Now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be inviting you guys to the good groups. Now for the boys, I'm here to cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue! Go Blue! And for the girls, I'm here to cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul! Go Azul! So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Again, are you guys ready for the basketball game? Alright, then birds ready. Trainers ready?